Right, this is a test bench. Make sure that an engine I've put together has been put together properly. But the carburettor, manifold, exhaust, radiator, distributor, coil and starter motor don't belong to that engine, so they've not been reconditioned or done up at all. They're just on there to make it run. Once I've proved it runs well, I'll take them off, and then the engine's going over to France. I've got it full of water with a bit of washing soda in there to try and flush out the cooling system. And what I'll do, I'll turn the ignition on now and see if I can get her going. Right, ready? Fitted a little electric fan on the front that I can turn on and off. That's just something off of the car I broke up years ago. Shoving a bit of air through the red to keep it nice and cool. Got one of our new side plates on it, in stainless steel, looking rather attractive. Right, this is the engine ring of the engine owners request. So once it's proved itself, I'll be taking all the bits of it that don't belong to it and sticking it in the boot of the car, taking it to France and fitting it to the car. I'll turn the ignition off now.